Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all you are fine. Today we are going to learn about a new topic. Before that, I will ask some questions. Do you know what is classification?
Yes, classification is the act of grouping organisms based on similarities and differences.
Okay, very good. What is the need of classifying biological organism?
In order to make the study easier.
Okay, very good. Who proposed fighting the classification?
R.H.
R.S.
Whittaker.
Whittaker.
Okay, very good. R.S. Whittaker proposed five kingdom classification. Today we are going to learn more about five kingdom classification. Who is ready to read this chart?
Five kingdom classification. R.H. Whittaker proposed the five kingdom classification. Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia are the five kingdoms. The main criteria of five kingdom classification are cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogeny.
Okay, very good. In 1969, R.H. Whittaker proposed a five kingdom classification. R.H. Whittaker R.S. Whittaker in 1969 proposed five kingdom classification. Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia are the five kingdoms. First is Monera. Second kingdom is Protista. Third is fungi. Fourth one is plantae. Fifth kingdom is animalia. These are the five kingdoms. R.S. Whittaker used some criteria to classify organism. The major criteria used by R.S. Whittaker are cell type, that is whether it is prokaryote or eukaryote, and next criteria is body organization, that is whether it is unicellular or multicellular. The next criteria is mode of reproduction, and another one is mode of nutrition, and phylogeny, ecological relationship. These are the criteria used by R.S. Whittaker to classify organisms. Are you clear about this topic?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Take your science diary and write down the following questions. First question is, who proposed five kingdom classification? The next question is, which are the major criteria used by R.S. Whittaker? Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. From group 3, who is ready to read the first question and answer? What is first question? Who proposed
Who proposed
five kingdom
the five kingdom
classification? The
classification?
answer is
R.H. Whittaker.
R.S. Whittaker proposed five kingdom classification. The next question is, which are the major criteria used by R.S. Whittaker? Which are the major criteria?
Cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's we move on to the next activity. From group 1, who is ready to read this chart? Kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera includes unicellular organism without nucleus. Example, bacteria. Kingdom Protista. Unicellular organism with a nucleus. Example, amoeba. Kingdom Fungi. Non-motile, heterotrophic, unicellular or multicellular organism. Example, mushroom. Are you clear? Okay. What is the first kingdom? Yes, correct. First kingdom is Monera. Kingdom Monera. This is a unicellular organism without nucleus. Unicellular without nucleus. Without nucleus organisms are called prokaryotes. So it is known as prokaryotes. Example is bacteria. Bacteria are the sole members in this kingdom. Initially, cyanobacteria are included in plants due to the ability to photosynthesize. The next kingdom is Protista. Kingdom Protista. This is a unicellular having a nucleus, presence of a nucleus. So it is known as eukaryotes. These are the organisms having unicellular organism having a nucleus. With a nucleus. So it is known as eukaryotes. Example, amoeba. These are the unicellular organism and they are eukaryotes. Look at this model. This is the structure of amoeba. This is a unicellular organism and a nucleus is present. Are you clear? Okay. The next kingdom is fungi. Third kingdom is fungi. These are non-motile, heterotrophic, unicellular or multicellular organism. In the fungi are unicellular, or multicellular heterotrophic, eukaryotes. Moles, mushrooms, yeast are included in this kingdom. Are you clear? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So take your science diary and write down the questions. First question is, what makes kingdom Monera different from kingdom Protista? And the next question is, which are the peculiarities of kingdom Fungi? Are you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Who is ready to read the first question and answer?
First question is, what makes Kingdom Monera different from Kingdom Protista? And the answer is, the organisms included under Kingdom Monera includes unicellular organisms without nucleus, but the organisms included under Kingdom Protista are unicellular, but they possess nucleus.
Okay, very good. And the next question is, what are the peculiarities of kingdom Fungi? The answer is
Non-motile, heterotrophic, unicellular, and
or multicellular organism. Non-motile, heterotrophic, unicellular or multicellular organisms are included in kingdom Fungi. Okay, very good. So let me move on to the next activity. Anyone can stand up and read this chart?
Kingdom Plantae. Autotrophic, multicellular, non-motile organisms. Kingdom Animalia. Heterotrophic, multicellular organisms that have the capacity of locomotion.
Okay, very good. The fourth kingdom is kingdom Plantae. In this kingdom, the whole plants in the earth are included in this kingdom. Plants are autotrophic organism and they are multicellular, autotrophic, multicellular, eukaryotes. Plants are known as autotrophic, hence the presence of a pigment. That pigment is a helping photosynthesis. Its name is chlorophyll. The presence of chlorophyll makes plants autotrophic. Another peculiarity of kingdom Plantae is the presence of cell wall. Cell wall that surround the cell membrane. Presence of cell wall and presence of chlorophyll are the two major peculiarities of kingdom Plantae. The next kingdom is kingdom Animalia. These are multicellular, heterotrophic, organism. They have the capacity of locomotion. capacity of locomotion. Chlorophyll and cell wall are sent in animals. Animals are known as heterotrophic. They depend food for another organism. So it is known as heterotrophic. These are the major features of kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Are you clear? Okay. So take your science diary and write down the following questions. What are the features of kingdom Animalia? What are the features of kingdom Animalia? And the next question is, what are the major differences of kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia? Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Who is ready to read the first answer?
What are
First
the
question is, what are the major features of kingdom Animalia? Maria,
Answer
read
is-
the answer.
organisms having capacity of locomotion?
Kingdom Animalia are organisms. They are heterotrophic, multicellular,
Organisms
and they have the capacity of locomotion. And the next question is, what are the difference of kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia? What are the
King-
difference of kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia?
Kingdom Plantae includes plants and animals. Includes
Kingdom Plantae includes plants and kingdom Animalia includes animals. Plants are non-motile and animals have the capacity of locomotion. Okay, very good. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let me move on to the final activity. Okay. Fill this table. First is name of the kingdom, and the second column is peculiarities of that kingdom. First is unicellular without nucleus. What is kingdom having unicellular organism and without nucleus?
Monera.
Okay, very good. And the next is they are heterotrophic, multicellular that have the capacity of locomotion.
Animalia.
Okay, very good. The next is non-motile, heterotrophic, unicellular or multicellular organism.
Fungi.
Okay, very good. Next is unicellular with a nucleus.
Protista.
Okay. The next kingdom is autotrophic, multicellular and non-motile organism. Which
Plantae.
kingdom?
Plantae.
Plantae. Very good. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Take your science diary and write down the homework question. Write a note on five kingdom classification. And the second question is, find more examples of each kingdom. Okay, very good. Let's conclude this today's topic. Organisms are two types. They are prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Kingdom Monera are prokaryotic. And eukaryotic organisms are again divided into unicellular and multicellular. Protists are included in unicellular eukaryotic organism. And multicellular organisms are plant, fungi, and animalia. The major peculiarity of plant is the presence of a cell wall and they are autotrophic or phototropic. The fungi are heterotropic. The major feature of animalia are without cell wall and they are multicellular. They are also heterotropic organism. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.